Welcome to the Virginia Department of Small Business and Supplier Diversity's SWaM Buyers Tutorial. In this video, there will be a brief overview of the SWaM application process. In addition, you will learn about the tools that can assist you with finding certified SWaM vendors, including the Certified Vendor Directory and the Application Status Search. First, let's discuss the SWaM application process. In order to apply for SWaM certification and recertification, a business must visit our website to submit an electronic application through the certification portal. Applications submitted via mail, email, or fax are not acceptable. Once a complete application has been submitted through the portal, it can take up to 60 business days for it to be processed by our office. Applying for certification is free, and we have business services managers located throughout the state who will assist businesses with completing the application. Please have the business visit our website to find the business services manager located in their area to schedule an appointment for assistance. Now, let's take a look at the documents required to be submitted with the application. The first step to submitting a SWaM application is to gather the documents required to be submitted with the application. A checklist of the required documents can be found on our website under Important Forms. The first 6 documents listed on the checklist are required of all applicants. In addition to the documents required of all applicants, there are documents that are required to be submitted based on the business's structure. So, for example, corporations are required to submit corporate documents such as articles of incorporation, their certificate of incorporation, stock ledger, stock certificates, and their bylaws. There are also documents required for LLCs, sole proprietors, franchises, and partnerships. The business should pay special attention to the documents listed on the checklist according to their business structure. Once the documents have been gathered and saved electronically, the applicant can then proceed to our website to submit an application through the certification portal. On our website, a link titled Certification Portal will take the vendor to the portal to create an account or either log in if they already have created an account. If they have not created an account, they would click the Register button, which will then take them to the screen to set up an account by entering their name, email address, and information. Once they have registered, they can then log in. Once logged in, the business can find their application in the dashboard if they have already linked their application to their account. If they have not linked an application to their account, they would click the link/new application button in the upper right-hand corner to find their application or to start a new application. The system will ask for the company's EIN number or the owner's social security number to look for their application or to start a new application. If the applicant has not applied for SWaM certification in our system, then a pop-up will let them know that they are starting a new application. Once they click yes, the system will then take them into the application where they will be required to enter all information pertaining to the business. Once the information has been entered, the next section will be the document upload section, where they will upload all of the documents according to the checklist. Once the application has been completed and all documents have been uploaded, the business will be required to sign the affidavit and to submit the application. Once the application is submitted, it will come into the queue for processing. Again, the standard processing time for a SWaM application is up to 60 business days from the date that the application has been submitted. The application will be assigned to a certification officer for processing, and once it has been processed, the business will receive an email from the assigned certification officer providing them with an update on the status of their application. If additional information is required, The business will receive an email asking for the specific documents that are needed. If additional documentation is required, the business should upload the documents in the spaces designated in the certification portal and resubmit the application for review. Once the certification officer has made a determination on the company's eligibility, the business will then receive an email notifying them of the decision of their certification request. Now, let's visit the website to look at the SWaM application status search and the certified vendor directory. There are 2 tools on our website that will assist you with finding certified SWaM vendors and checking the application status of a vendor. First, we'll take a look at the SWaM application status search. Under the section labeled What's Hot on our website, you will see certification application status. This will take you to a screen that will allow you to search the status of a vendor's application. In the status search, you can search for a vendor by tracking number or company name. If you have the vendor's tracking number, enter it into the field and click search. Here you can see that this business submitted an application on December 18th, 2020. They have applied for small, micro, and minority-owned certification. Their statuses are listed as pending until their application is reviewed and processed by a certification officer. Now let's look up another tracking number. Here, you can see that this business submitted an application on December 3rd, 2020. However, their application was incomplete and a request for missing documentation was sent via email on January 20th, 2021. If you look at the resubmitted date, it says NA. That means that the business has not resubmitted the application in response to our document request. Therefore, in order for us to proceed with the certification review process, the vendor must log into their account and upload the documentation that is being requested. Once they upload the documentation and resubmit the application, a resubmit date will be listed here, and their application will be entered back into the queue for review and processing. Another status that you may see is expired. Now let's look up an applicant whose certification has expired. Here, this business was certified as a small business and a woman-owned business. However, you can see that they have expired. If you need additional information on when this vendor's certification expired, you would need to contact our office to receive the specific expiration date. This vendor has not applied for recertification. The way that you can tell that is there is no submit date or resubmit date. This lets you know that the business has not submitted an application to apply for recertification. Another status is not submitted. Let's look up an application where a business has started the application process but has not submitted their application. Here, this business has a SWaM expiration date of June 18th, 2020, but their last submitted date is April 5th, 2017. That means that the business has not submitted an application since 2017. In order for this business to apply for recertification, they must visit our website to submit the application. Their status is listed as pending recertification. That indicates that they have started the process but have not yet submitted the application. Now we'll take a look at the certified vendor directory. On our website, we also have a directory of all certified SWaM and DBE vendors. Under What's Hot, you can find the SWaM and DBE directory. By clicking on this link, it will take you to the listing of all certified SWaM and DBE vendors. The directory listing can be filtered in numerous ways. You can search by certification type, NIGP code, NAICS code, city, zip code, or business category. You can also do a combination of these filters. For example, if you are looking for a construction company located in Richmond, Virginia, you can select construction from the business category and Richmond from the city. By doing so, it will only return certified SWaM and DBE vendors who are located in Richmond, Virginia that are certified with construction in the construction industry. Without any filters, the directory lists all certified SWaM vendors. You can search by keyword, exact match, using the certification number, the company's name, their DBA name if they have one, a contact name, address, state, phone number, email address, website, or their NIGP codes or NAICS codes. The directory will tell you the start dates of their certification by certification type. So if a vendor is certified in multiple designations, there will be a start date for each designation. It will also indicate the company's SWaM expiration date, as well as their NIGP codes and descriptions. Their contact information is listed on the left-hand side in case you need to contact the vendor either by phone or email. Lastly, in order to search for certification type, you can select the designations from the certification type field, which will only return the certified vendors who have the certification types that you have selected. After doing a search by filter, you can clear each filter to return to the original listing of the certified vendors. If a vendor does not appear in the certified vendor directory, that means that they are not SWaM or DBE certified. The certification information listed in the directory is based off of what the business entered on their application, based on how they applied for certification. If a business is pending for certification or recertification, and their certification is not current, they will not show in the certified vendors directory. The vendors directory is updated real time. So once an applicant has been approved for certification, their information will show in the directory immediately upon approval. However, EVA's system is updated daily. So if a vendor is certified and approved today, they will show in the certified vendor directory on our website immediately, but they will not show in EVA system as a certified SWaM until the next day. This concludes the SWaM Buyers tutorial. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via phone or email.